Now we will see how to create a campaign. So go to the campaigns object. So normally where we use campaigns. So marketing professionals can be used campaigns to collect and process leads collected from web forms at trade shows or from other marketing activities. A campaign record tracks the number of leads, contacts, and opportunities assigned to it. It can also display summary statistics such as the total investment, the response rate, the budget versus actual cost. Management can use these statistics to learn from past campaigns and improve future marketing efforts. So click on New button. So for example, Rover is doing a campaign. So we can name it as a Rover campaign. So click on Active checkbox. Then click on Save. Here one more thing we need to discuss. Sometimes maybe some of the people who works on these leads, they ask, is it possible, like, can we import leads and contacts from spreadsheet file exported in CSV file format? Yes, you can do that. Now I'm going to show how can we import those. Here you can see campaign members. If you click on this down arrow, so we can click on this import lead and contacts. So when we got this import widget, we can select leads, and if you click on add new records, we can drag and drop the CSV file, or else we can choose it. We can choose the file from here. That's the way we can import the leads and contacts. So I'm going back. Here we got campaign hierarchy as well. So using this campaign hierarchy, we can manage several campaigns under a single master campaign. For example, you can create a partner campaign called trade shows to collect and manage leads from all the trade shows your organization attends. Each trade show would become a child campaign. You can have up to 5 levels in the campaign hierarchy. For example, you might group trade shows by territory or by specific annual shows to discover which events give the best returns. Parent campaign can collect and summarize statistics from all child campaigns. And one more option here, like we can manage the members also. If you click on this manage campaign members, so this campaign members, the members can also import into the Salesforce org. Then that's it. So I'm going to recap against what we have discussed. So in starting, we discussed something about of Salesforce editions. I'm just explaining what we have gone through in this session. So after the additions, we've gone through the Salesforce Sales Cloud. So what is Sales Cloud? If you came to the Salesforce org, Salesforce defaultly providing these services. You can see here, Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, Commerce Cloud. The people who are in sales business, they use the Sales Cloud. The people who are in service sector, they use the Service Cloud. In the same way, Marketing Cloud and Commerce Cloud. Why we need to use the Sales Cloud? Because here you can see these are the apps providing sales app, service app, marketing app, etc. So the people who are in sales business, what they're going to do? They're going to simply use this app. So they don't need to create anything. Defaultly, Salesforce is providing for us as per our business requirement. So what the salespeople normally do? So when they contact particular leads, they're going to save those leads into this lead object. So once they convert the lead is going to come and sit into the opportunities and accounts and contacts. And sometimes, like the people are in sales, for example, as I said earlier, like for example, tomorrow onwards BMW is releasing a new car. What they're going to do, they do some campaigns in different places, like shopping malls or different places. So they're going to record all their campaigns in this campaign object. And if they want to see their sales, what's going on and everything, they can see those in the reports and dashboards. So just like that. So in the sales app, we no need to create anything. Salesforce defaultly providing everything for us. So this is what the sales app. If you want to see the service, this is something related to the service people. The people who are in service sector, they got a charter, they got a cases. We got different objects. As per our business requirement, we can use those objects. That's it. Thank you.